Today, we're touring a $2 million gorgeous home here in Mapleton, Utah with 6,700 square feet. This home was built contemporary style, but with massive windows like a picture frame to frame the views. Wait till you see this great room and the views out the back. I can't wait to show you inside, but wait, you've got to remember this is a 2023 Parade of Homes home. So not only is it exceptionally beautiful, it was built as a showpiece. Let's go inside. Every luxury home deserves a luxury front door. So here's your views. You walk in this room and immediately what catches your eye? It's the views out the windows. They've made these massive windows to frame this view, and they've built a two-story great room. And notice the railings, there are none, it's glass. Everything they did in this home was to create light, views, and transparency. It's incredible. As you look out here, you can see Utah Lake and the mountains on the west bench. We can step out two different balconies and check out these views. Welcome to paradise, people. I'll take you downstairs later, but for now, I'd like you to have a bird's eye view of this valley. As we look out here, we see scrub oak. In the summertime, this is going to green right up. Right now it's spring and we just left winter time here in Utah. We've got tetherball over here on the side, trampoline space, patio space, and look at this incredible outdoor kitchen. They've got it designed for parties and entertainment. Let's go back inside, and when we go downstairs, I'll walk you back outside. So on the main floor, we've got the kitchen, this great room, an island for a king, beautiful views of the valley, space to entertain, gourmet kitchen. We've got double ovens, Viking appliances, gas top. Would that be so much fun? And this butler's pantry, I can't forget. Look at the butler's pantry. And the little door on the right, people call it the Costco door. Why? Because it opens up to the garage where you can unload your groceries. All this space to put your food, and then you've got this darling drink cooler. Love it. All right, as we pass through the great room, you can see a glimpse of the master suite. This primary suite, conveniently located here on the main floor, also has the views of the valley, nice privacy. These darling French doors create this room so that you can shut the door, have the privacy from your guests, or open it up so it feels very open. Large double sink vanity. Have you ever seen a vanity this big? Ample space. This shower tub space. Now the combo shower tub is really fun because as you get out of your tub, you've created a location that's warm, a steam bath, a steam shower, very luxurious. And take your eyes on this master closet. This space is amazing. You've got enough space for everything. The sellers actually had shelves for every pair of shoes that they own. Wouldn't this be fun? Okay, let's keep looking around. The primary suite is amazing. Washer dryer, so you can conveniently wash your clothes, a toilet room, and we'll step out these French doors back into the great room, and I want you to look upstairs. That's where we're headed next. Again, no railings, all glass. The daylight is what makes this room so fun and exciting. Okay, we're gonna hop up the stairs. You'll notice contemporary staircase. It's made out of real wood, and it makes it very transparent and bright as you come up these stairs to have the glass instead of railings. Okay, welcome to the upstairs. Feels like you just came to another level of living. The views just get better. So we've got a couple of bedrooms here on the left. Let me show those to you. A large bedroom and a full bathroom. This is probably the size that most people have for their master bedroom. Walk-in closet. This is their second ensuite bathroom. And then over here, We have some more bedrooms and this loft space. The family who lives here says they spend most of their time in this beautiful loft space. And bonus, you've got your elevated balcony right off the loft. Let me take you out here for these views again. Check it out. So fun. Now these mountains, you can still see that we have snow-capped mountains here in Utah. It's early spring, but these mountains will come alive with greenery, deer, wildlife. It's an incredible location here in Mapleton, Utah. Come on inside to the loft, and I'll show you these other bedrooms on this elevated second floor. So we've got a lovely bedroom here. If you walk through there, keep going, and there's a Jack and Jill bathroom. I'll meet you on the other side. So cute. This is called a Jack and Jill bathroom because you have two bedrooms that share one bathroom. Beautifully finished. And as you come out the second bedroom, you're back into the loft space. And let's pause once again, fall in love with that view. Imagine the greenery out there when it comes summertime, the snow when it's wintertime. The mountains on either side, you're in a beautiful valley, abutted with the Wasatch Mountains on your east, the Lake Mountains on your west, and a view of Utah Lake here in Utah Valley. So whether you're from Utah and you know how pristine Mapleton is, or you're from out of state, this location is ideal. We're gonna go downstairs. Welcome to the basement. So down here we've got so many fun eclectic things. Let's start with the vault. If you've got valuables, guns, if you're a hunter, or you just have something you want to keep safe, this is incredible. Custom built safe for him to store all of his special things, and this is absolutely permanent fixture in the home. On your left, we have this beautiful powder room. Look at that fun wallpaper. Isn't that darling? Now we're in the basement, and a lot of times in the basement, you want to just have the kids come down or the noisemakers. So I'm going to show you the huge entertainment space. But we've got a bedroom, home office here. We have another 2 bedrooms and a full bath over here. The thing that I think is fun is not only is that a bedroom, full bath, but this is the room I want you to focus on. This is what they call the playroom. It's a massive room with lots of space. They actually put their kids' bunk beds in here. Would this be the funnest place to hang out? And views. Who has a bedroom with views like this? What a fun place to hang out with your friends, your cousins, your siblings. Now, feast your eyes on the downstairs entertainment room. Massive space. We've got a pool table that's included. We've got the massive seating for entertaining with movies, games. You could fit 20 people on that couch. And check out this darling day bed. Can you imagine cousins or kiddos cuddling up on this bed having the best of times? You have a kitchenette space where you can put your chips and dip, your popcorn, your salsa, all the things to come downstairs and have an absolute party with your friends and your guests in this beautiful space with beautiful daylight. Now, as you noticed, we have a daylight basement entrance here, but I want to take you into this surprise. We've all talked about having a home gym, and here it is. Welcome to this custom home gym. Beautifully decorated, full of very nice equipment, beautiful set of dumbbells, and you have your own daylight basement that leaves the space. Now, imagine you're here on your treadmill, okay? I could do the leg roamers and legs, but you're up here doing your thing, right? I've got a mirror, I've got my music, I've got my tunes, but who gets that view when they're working out? Guys, this would motivate me. I would totally hit my fitness goals in this room. Let's go outside. This is our second daylight basement. Come on in, come on out. to the walkout basement. So this is what's called a daylight basement. When the home sits on a lot that slopes, then the basement can actually have access. I love that. Daylight basements are my favorite. Here's our kitchen area, our outdoor kitchen. We've all seen little kind of wannabe outdoor kitchens. This one's immense. We've got the fire pit. Sit around and roast your marshmallows. Put out your fire, sit down, talk to friends, share stories. Gourmet hamburgers in this granddaddy of a grill. Lots of space to entertain and set out your food. We've got this table and chairs, and these are all negotiable, part of the cell. And the day bed that swings. Friends will clamor to come to your home to hang out in your backyard with these views. I want to hang out all day. The sunshine's beautiful, the view of Utah Valley, Utah Lake, it's pretty pristine. Over here, we have the rest of the backyard, and I'm going to have you peek over the edge of this fence, because something that surprised me when I got here for the first time is these people have actually created a garden space. So we have grow boxes, we have fruit trees, all down here in this extended lot. So there's your play area, your entertainment area, jump on the trampoline, tetherball. Did you grow up with tetherball? I love it. Another grow box. All of this encompasses your backyard. So one of the other things that I missed telling you about, we talked about the entertainment room, we talked about the exercise room. Have you all heard of the benefits of cold plunge and a sauna? We've all heard it. If you get in a sauna 3 days a week, your heart health goes up. Can you imagine stepping out of your own home gym, coming out into your own personal sauna? That's right. Here's your own personal sauna. Privacy and views and how efficient, ease of use. This is so convenient. I would use my sauna every night, and you've got a cold plunge every morning, and this is actually filtered, so it's not going to be those yucky cold plunges that get a film. This one's clean. I love that. So we're at our second daylight basement entrance. We're going to go back inside and show you just the livability of this beautiful home. If you're interested in this home, or you're interested in Utah living, Mapleton Utah living, check the link below. We'll follow up with you. We'd love to give you a personal tour of this luxury, contemporary, fun house.